Hi, ladies, and welcome to week 6. This week's competencies are to analyze global healthcare problems and offer effective solutions within the constraints of policy, law, regulations, and ethical principles, focusing on the global workforce in healthcare. We are going to describe medical tourism and the rationale for U.S. consumers crossing national borders for medical services. We're going to articulate risks with medical tourism and potential solutions. We're going to explore the globalization of the professional labor market, and we're going to analyze aspects of the workforce in one foreign country, and one major human resource problem it faces. Our discussion question, we're going to talk about global medical tourism. Why do people leave the United States to seek healthcare outside of our borders? Explore the benefits and the risks it poses and precautions that consumers should consider before traveling to a foreign country for healthcare. Include in your discussion if there are any healthcare or other industry employees from outside of the U.S. employed in your current work setting, and if so, how have they adapted? So our paper has to do with global healthcare, hence the picture of the world here. So this paper requires you to research and choose a country other than the U.S. and examine aspects of their workforce and identify and describe at least one major human resource problem in that country. Include information such as the status of the country's staffing. Is it an abundance or is it a shortage, and why? Is the country's workforce leaving to work in other countries because of technology, salary, work environment? What is the impact of workforce mobility, and what are the incentives to move? What is the quality of patient care? Is the patient population local or international, and are there ethical issues to consider? Cultural impact on healthcare for the elderly. For example, they don't have nursing homes in Japan because families are just expected to care for their elders. How does their economic, regulatory, and political situation impact the workforce and cost of patient care? And conclude with your final analysis and recommendations that may serve to improve that country's health problem. If you have any questions about a country to choose, you can shoot me an email and we can discuss it. Then I just want to say congratulations to all of you. It's been really great working with you, and I hope that you learned a lot in this course. And just think you are one course closer to your goal. So congratulations, ladies. It's been nice working with you. And I'll see you online in this week's discussion.